Alright, what's going on, Motley Garagers, YouTubers, RC enthusiasts, micro crawlers especially. We have the Redcat Ascent 18. Did a little bit of mods before I first crawled it. I put the ECX Barrage 24's little roll bar in the back. I trying to make a droop setup with it. And let's take it on a little crawl in my first impressions. Now I will say, first off out of bat, build quality, 1 out of 10. Or not 1 out of 10, but 10 out of 10 scoring. I give it 7, just because of taking off the shocks. That was a super pain, super pain. The ball studs on there were they're like atrocious trying to get off. I was just trying to get the shocks back off because I was cutting the shocks, and it yeah, ended up poking the passenger tire. But I will say, for $100, first time crawler, this is excellent. It's a little fast, for like a comp crawler, but it's got enough torque. It takes the same motor size as the TRX4Ms. Check out that droop setup for $100. You get portal axles. Yeah, we like that. We like that. The rims are very stylish. The body is super stylish and sexy. You know what I'm saying? I will say it's better than like an ECX Barrage, because remember, we used to, we micro crawl, bro, before micro crawling got big. It's not waterproof electronics. It has a 4-kilogram servo. So when you get to throwing metal on there, you're going to have to upgrade the servo, you know what I'm saying, or you're going to blow the servo out. Let's go ahead and take it over this little bit harder section and just feel the truck. You know what I'm saying? This is my setup. This is my suspension setup. So I'm really and truly liking it. It feels like Miss Dotson. It almost feels like an Orlando Hunter. It's got that feel. A little top heavy. The tires are a little. I don't run foams, so I don't like foams. I'll be changing that. Different rims and stuff. We'll probably go with some Enduro rims. I really like those rims that we put on Xavier's TRX4M. Check out that stance. Like I said, no waterproof electronics. I do not believe. Let's see if we can go up over this rock right here by Cat Paw Trail. Down there is really muddy. We'll leave that for the Defender. Come up and down there. Nice. We got a little bit of grass on us, but we'll grab that in a second. That's a winch spot right there. We'll come up to that. See, I like the approach. The bumper is straight up on the grill, flat and flush, so you get your tires out like a big old rock bouncer. The links are pretty cool, so you get enough articulation in the suspension links and everything like that. I don't know how much time this phone has, so I'm trying to make this vlog a little quick, but let's get that grass out of there and let's set him back up. You can do one-hand driving with your right finger and your index finger for your throttle. Oh, can I right myself? Oh, I did, but we're just gonna use hand to God. Scratching it up, but we will be doing some mods to it. Oh, we got some little bit of mud on here. Let's go ahead and set it up for this crawl section right here. We're gonna set the truck right here. We're gonna come down and see if we can make this turn right here. Got some scratches on the front of the body. That's okay. It's gonna be our comp crawler. It's quieter than the TRX4M, so the motor's not really winding up that much. So I can tell that maybe airplane. It's a yellow one this time. Yeah. Got a yellow one this time. That's pretty cool. There we go. All right. Nice. We should just be able to spider right on up that. We don't have to use a winch at all. Oh, we're in a hole. Oh yeah, we're not getting out of that hole. That was up and over. I gotta fix that spot right there. That's a giant hole right there. But first initial thoughts of the truck. I like it. I like it a lot. Not gonna lie, I like it. It's a very look at that. Look at how it just settled down. That was nice. It was very nice. Yeah. That's a beautiful truck right there. Good truck to crawl with, easy to crawl with. You're not gonna get your pumpkin stuck that much, so you're not gonna get all like irritated like some people get crawling, you know. But you just take your time. You just find your lines. You make your truck look so beautiful. I want to say thank you, Redcat, for bringing out a truck. My buddy Parker, first time buying a hobby grade crawler. Got him a comp crawler, and it's a very good crawler. Set it out of the box. Look at that. Just eat that rock up, soak it up real good. So yeah, I want to say I'm very pleased with this crawler right here. I want to see more. 7 years of us micro crawling, you guys. Ah, man, I can't believe it's been that long. I want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed, watched all my crazy crypto videos, and me just trying to let you guys know what's going on in my life, But we're back out here. I have not felt so much more relaxed with these new crawlers. I want to say thank you, Traxxas, for bringing out the Traxxas TRX 4M a little bit bigger. It's not too small, not too big, but I think this is the new size of micro crawlers. I'm really liking this size. It's perfect for me. You know what I'm saying? I like the SX24s, but yeah, this gives it a little bit of like Tim scale feel, but then you still get that micro feel. You know what I'm saying?